Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing the how my bike looks with the Kodlin lowering kit, rear lowering kit. I'm going to go ahead and put some weight on the bike. I'm going to go ahead and sit on it so you guys can actually see how the rear looks when you actually sit on the bike. I am 5'7", 167 pounds, so that's so that you guys have an idea how the rear looks once you sit on it with the Kodlin lowering rear kit. Here we go. That's how the rear looks, and I believe when you ride down the road, I think it will actually go lower because of the movement of the bike as you move forward. But it looks pretty good in my opinion, I think. So like I said, I'm 167 pounds, and that's how the bike looks. You can easily put your feet down, plant it, and very comfortable. Another thing I wanted to say is that there's actually no difference in the riding or the feel while you ride the bike with the lowering kit installed. I felt no difference whatsoever. The bike actually, in my opinion, rides the same. There's another lowering kit that they sell online. It's a bit cheaper. It's not the Kodlin. Probably a Chinese knockoff. I don't know. I could be wrong. I don't know, but it's actually kind of cheaper. I decided to go ahead and buy the Kodlin, even though it was a bit too. I think it was like 100. I can't remember, but it was over $100 easy. But anyway, that's how the rear looks. I hope you guys like this video. It's just for so you guys can see how the bike actually looks with the lowering kit. I'm gonna go ahead and sit on it once again, and so you guys can see. I think it looks pretty good. Alright guys, let me show you real quick before I finish with the video. This is the these are the parts you're going to be replacing. This is the original upper part of the monoshock from Harley. You're going to be replacing this, okay? The Kodlin is going to come with a new one of these, but new from Kodlin. You're also going to be replacing this plate, this upper plate. This plate goes at the bottom of this other part, right? So you're going to be replacing these two things, and the last thing you're going to be replacing is this bottom part that it's actually on at the bottom of the monoshock. So these are all original from Harley. You're going to be replacing these three things with the new kit, okay? Actually, the new kit, when you install the new kit, you're not going to be needing this plate. So all right guys, also you're going to be needing a monoshock compression tool. You're going to be needing that also. I think they sell those for about $160 online. I actually bought mine from eBay. So all right guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye bye.